You've probably heard the term AI a million times, if not a billion times. AI, artificial intelligence. It sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Super smart robots, talking computers, futuristic tech, and so on. But what if I told you you've already been using AI for years without even knowing? By the end of this video, you're finally going to understand what it actually is. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, on your phone, in your car, even in your Netflix recommendations. But here's the problem. When most experts explain AI, they hit you with a wall of jargon, like machine learning algorithms, neural networks, deep learning, and so on. These jargons are enough to make your eyes glaze over. So today, I will be doing things differently. I will remove the buzzwords and break AI down into one simple concept you'll never forget. And to explain it, we need to talk about a toddler and a cat. Imagine a toddler who has never seen a cat before. You point to a fluffy one and say, "That's a cat." Then you see a hairless cat and say, "That's also a cat." You show them a cartoon cat, and yep, you say, "That's still a cat." Now the next time that toddler sees a small dog, they might be confused at first, but eventually they'll use what they learned, pointy ears, fur, tail, to figure out that's not a cat. The toddler wasn't programmed with a textbook definition of a cat. They learned from examples. And that's AI in a nutshell. It's not about coding a million rules like, if it has whiskers, then it's a cat. It's about showing the computer millions of examples until it recognizes the patterns for itself. That's how your phone's photo app can automatically group all your cat pictures. It didn't memorize a rule book, it learned from data. So let's connect the dots. This whole learning from examples of things powering your everyday life right now. Let us first start with Netflix. Netflix looks at what you've watched before and says, "You liked those action movies? Here's another one you'll probably like," and recommend it to you. Google Translate learned from millions of real translations across the web. So today, it can predict how one phrase maps to another in different languages. Self-driving cars studied millions of hours of human driving footage, spotting the patterns of a safe lane change or what a stop sign looks like even on a rainy night. ChatGPT trained on mountains of text from the internet, picking up patterns in how humans write, explain, and have conversations. These things are not magic or rocket science. It's not even true understanding. It's just super-powered pattern recognition. That's the key. Now, some people hear AI and imagine robots taking over the world. But the truth is simpler and less scary. AI doesn't think like us. It doesn't feel like us. It doesn't even truly understand what it's doing. It just finds patterns and makes predictions. Sometimes it's brilliant, and sometimes it fails hilariously. It is very important you know about AI because it is shaping the world. From the shows you watch, to the ads you see, to the way your doctor might one day diagnose disease, AI is the silent engine running in the background. And the better you understand it, the more power you have, not just as a user, but as someone who can adapt to the future. So, let's recap. AI isn't magic. It isn't science fiction. It's simply about teaching computers the way you teach a toddler through examples, patterns, and practice. That's artificial intelligence in the simplest way possible. If you found this explanation helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of